exam 2013 it is given. We will try to find number of forward paths, number of individual loops, number of forward paths, number of individual loops. Okay. Now coming to step 1, generally they will ask the transfer function. Mason's gain formula. So Mason's gain formula says transfer function is 1 by delta summation pk delta k. P is forward paths. For each forward path, we have to calculate delta. Delta is nothing but 1 minus sum of individual loop gains plus 2 non-touching loops minus 3 non-touching loops, like that. We have to calculate in using this big formula. Okay, because of the online classes, you might have studied only forward paths and individual loops thoroughly. One problem might be done with the full transfer function calculation. So what I thought is, in the exam point of view, transfer function only they will ask. But I don't want to complicate with too much things, because in the regular class also online you are taught with thoroughly forward paths and individual loops. In step 1, I will calculate number of forward paths. Okay. Forward path means from input to output, P1, P2. Okay, P1, P2, P3, like that we have tried. So just I will multiply the gains. You check from U of S I am starting. From the input to output I have to travel. Any node or any branch should not be repeated. Okay, any node or any branch should not be repeated. I will start from the input U. After 1, I will take S power minus 1, S power minus 1 direction 1. I am reaching output Y of S. This is one straight forward path direction. Now another forward path, anything is there, another forward path, 1, then S power minus 1, then upward direction, I will go upward direction 1. Okay, this upward direction I will go, and again after that one more 1 is there, I am reaching output. I should start from the input, I should end at the output. On the way I should not repeat any node, repeat any branch. Okay, so only 2 forward paths I am able to find in this diagram. Only 2 forward paths. If I come back and then travel in another direction, that is repetition of branch. Any branch or any node that is getting repeated, that cannot be forward path. So only 2 forward paths I have. Now I will go to number of individual loops. Number of individual loops. How many? So first loop, second loop, third loop, fourth loop, like that I can just try. Okay. So what I will do, I will just write the product. You can see here this closed one, S power minus 1 minus 4. S power minus 1, it is a closed path. Okay. So S power minus 1, then minus 4. This is a closed path, minus 4, S power minus 1 or minus 4 by S is the product of gains. This closed path, product of gains. Now second loop, how I will try? Instead of S power minus 1, I will go in the upward direction. 1, then minus 4. Upward direction 1, downward direction minus 4. That is also a closed path. So minus 4 is the product of gains in the second closed path. This is called loop. Okay, second closed path. So third closed path, what I will do? S power minus 1, again S power minus 1, then minus 2. I am getting a closed path. This 2, starting from this node, okay, starting from this node, I will travel S power minus 1, again S power minus 1, coming back to the same node. Okay, starting from a node, traveling after some time, coming back to the same node, that becomes a closed path, that is called a loop. On the way, I should not repeat any node, repeat any branch. I should come back to the same node, that condition is valid, but on the way, I should not repeat any node or any branch. Okay, this is the third closed path. Okay, this can also be written as minus 2 by S square. So I have one more closed path. I can take S power minus 1. After that, upward direction 1 I will travel. Downward direction minus 2 I will travel. So this is also closed path. 1 S power minus 1. Upward direction 1. Downward direction minus 2. That is also becoming a closed path. So minus 2 S power minus 1 or minus 2 by S. I am finding only 4 loops. Okay, I am finding from this diagram only 4 loops. So using this, then again you have to substitute in equation 1 for finding the transfer function. As of now, I am confining to number of forward paths and number of individual loops. Okay. Now I'm going to the next problem. Here you can find how many forward paths, how many individual loops. Step 1, I have to find number of forward paths. Number of forward paths, P1, P2 like that. So straight away I will multiply. These are name of the nodes. If it is confusing, you can just remove it. Name of the nodes. Okay, this is actually given the same diagram in 2015 gate paper. You should understand nodes also will have names, but that you should not include in the calculation. Nodes are given names. Okay, on the branch there is arrow mark. For the arrow mark there will be gain mentioned. For the arrow mark there will be gain mentioned. Only gain should be used in the calculation. So first forward path it is 1 into G1, G2, then 1, G3, G4. I am reaching output. This is one forward path. So I don't find any more forward paths because forward direction only required for forward path. Okay, only forward direction. I should not come back and repeat any node or repeat any branch. That's why only one forward path is possible. In step 2, number of individual loops. Number of loops I have to try. So L1, L2, L3 like that. So L1 what I will do, I will start left of G2. Okay, to the left of G2, I am starting from here. I will travel G2, then 1, G3, then coming back to the same node using H3, using minus H3, using minus H3. G2, 1, G3, minus H3. This is the closed loop. So minus G2, G3, H3 is the product of gains in the first loop. Second loop, what I will do, G1, G2, then minus H1 I will take. Okay, G1, G2 direction, then downward minus H1 I will take. So this is again another closed path, another closed path. Okay, next I am going to the other side, G3, G4, G3, G4, then downward direction minus H2. G3, G4, downward direction minus H2. This is minus G3, G4, H2. Minus G3, G4, H2. Okay. These are the three loops I am able to find. I don't have any further closed paths. Without repeating any node, without repeating any branch. Okay. Starting from a node and traveling sometime, coming back to the same node. This is the condition required. This is the condition required. I don't find any more closed paths. So three loops are present in this given diagram, three loops. Now next one, straight away you can write forward paths, one in number. Once you get familiarized, okay, you need not draw the product or write the product of gains, otherwise draw the diagram. Nothing required. Straight away you can just analyze and write only one forward path. Okay. Now coming to the loops, how many loops you can check? One loop is B into E. Second loop is C into F. Then third loop is D into G. D into G. Okay. This is first loop. This is second loop. And this is the third loop. Three loops are present. Loops are three in number. This is how they will ask one more question like this only. Okay. Sometimes transfer function, small diagram, they will ask transfer function. In 2004 EC paper only, this question has come. Might be this is very small diagram, they might have asked transfer function. If it is a big diagram, they will ask number of forward paths and number of individual loops. Number of individual loops. Non-touching means they should not have any common node or common branch. Okay. This is about the question. Last one. I will close with this. Now I have a challenge for you. How many forward paths are there in this diagram? How many forward paths are there in this diagram? How many loops are there in this diagram? How many loops are there in this diagram? How many loops? Step 1, we have to calculate forward paths. Step 2, we have to calculate number of loops. Okay. And here forward path is I have to start from R, end at the C. This is the input. This is the output. Okay. Without crossing any node more than once. Node or branch more than once. I will travel like this, then reach the output. This is the first forward path. R of S, C of S, completed. R of S, C of S, 1 into 1. 1 into 1, okay. So only one forward path I am finding. If you go with any other branch, it is just repetition of this node will happen. Repetition of this node will happen. So only one forward path is there. Okay, only one forward path is there. This is the forward path diagram. Product of gains P1 is nothing but 1 into 1. P1 is nothing but 1 into 1, which is 1. Okay. Now coming to individual loops. How many individual loops? This is one closed loop. Okay. This is second closed loop. This is third closed loop. Okay. First loop is 1 by s into minus 2. Second loop is 6 into 1 by s into minus 4. Okay, 6 into 1 by s into minus 4. Third loop is 1 by s into minus 3. Third loop is 1 by s into minus 3. Other than that, this, you try to form any closed loop, node or a branch will get repeated. Any node or a branch will get repeated. Okay, so we have only 3 loops in this diagram. Number of forward paths 1, straight away. Okay, straight away in the beginning itself, that forward path gets completed. That forward paths get completed, and the loops are like this. Loops are like this. Okay. When you come to non-touching loops, then the overlap etc. will come. But individual loops, we will not consider any touching or non-touching. Individually, what are the possible loops present in the given question, given diagram? Okay, all that we can count. We can count and take it as total number of loops in the given question. This problem is from ECE GATE exam 2003. 2003 GATE exam. Okay.